Okay, let me go share sharp. Yo guys, welcome to today's episode of what? Of market overview. Welcome. Can you hear me and see me? Can you hear me and see me clearly? Please reply with the chat box. Let me know if you can hear me, you can see me. Yeah, Ibrahim, I see you. What's up? Okay. So let's get started. So before we dive in too much, I really wish we could delay a little bit for other people to come in. But as you are coming in, please keep liking. Just make sure you are liking this video. It's very, very important. You know, we need to grow every of our community. So other people are there looking for means to actually have advantage of all these things that we are exposed to. But if you keep liking it, that's how it's going to get there. You too, you are doing your own part in promoting. What am I promoting? I'm trying to help the community. I'm trying to help people around the world. So you to do your own part by making sure you are doing everything possible to make sure other people too are doing what they are benefiting from whatever thing you are doing. So good guys, please keep liking. So coming in, just make sure you are liking. Like it, man. Sorry, I don't. Is this camera good? Okay. So here we go, guys. Should we just go straight to the chat, or we should have our first talk, because I had some discussion with you guys? You just go. The background is too white. Don't mind me. I like everywhere are not going to be white. Like I'm in one corner of my room right now, like in my living room, and everywhere, in fact my house, everywhere is painted white. I don't know why. I just like anything bright color, like especially white color. I like it so much. So but what I'm going to do is that maybe this background here, I'm just going to get some design there to make it look kind of. So maybe that's what I'm going to do, Sha. So don't worry. But I just like everything being white. The lightning white, everything white. I don't like that. My spirit is too bright. It's too white. It's too black. So what's up, guys? What do you think? Should we just dive into the chat immediately, or we should go ahead with our talk? What do you guys think? Please, as you are coming in, keep liking. Just keep liking it. Keep liking. I need all of us to like this video so that we can and then you can come and rewatch some of the videos we are doing here. This is our live session. You can come and rewatch it. The reason is that there are some things I will teach here. You might not grab it immediately while I'm talking about it, while I'm teaching it, but once you come back again, why did I make that decision? Why did I say this thing will do like this? Why did I say this thing will do like that? So you pick it after you come back to watch. But some, now I'll just be like, okay, this thing like, things like that. I'll just be like, guy, let's sell, buy, guys, let's buy, and things like that. But the reason why I'm making that decision, you will get it when you come back and rewatch. Do you understand? So guys, keep liking as you're coming in. Today I'm not missing this for anything there. These are for people that missed yesterday. Let's talk before going to the chat. Okay, somebody said we should talk before going to the chat, but the background is okay. I think I attend to that parking bus and start today. Okay, fine. The thing is this: I want to talk about the broker we are using. One of the promo they are running right now. Last month they run a promo of 100%. Like, if you deposit any amount up to like $500, you are going to get ×2 of it. Do you get? So, but this month they are coming with another massive promo, which is trade and travel, or trade and win gift, trade and make extra money. So why I said that is that when you I might need to show you guys so that, okay, pardon me, let me go to my Telegram, copy, okay, copy link, come back in. So let me just paste it, enter. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. I believe everybody is seeing my screen. I believe everybody is seeing my screen right now. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. From 1 to 31st of March, what do we have to offer? Prices up to $20,000 is awaiting anyone that took part in this. So guys, be wise. If you already have an account and you don't deposit up to $100 before, you can go and top up your account if you want to partake in this. $100. Okay, let's go into it one after the other. What do you need to qualify for the raffle draw? There's many prizes to be won though, a lot of prizes to be won. Part of it is travel to Dubai, part of it is make money, gadget, and all of those things. So how do you win? Firstly, you have to trade one lot. Okay, here they are saying one lot is equal to one ticket. So what they are actually saying is that it's going to be a ballot, like a raffle draw. Sorry. So now, for your name to be part of that raffle, you need to trade at least one lot, 1.00 lot size within 1 month. If you can trade that, your name will be written in the paper in the ballot, in the raffle. So if you trade 2 lots within this month, your name will be in 2 times, increasing your chance of winning. If you trade 3 lots, if you trade 10 lots, that means your name will be in the in the raffle 10 times. So the more the lots you use, the more the opportunity for you to be. So now those people in the raffle draw, people will win travel to Dubai, all expenses paid. People will win, I think, thousands of dollars. I don't know, I forgot these things. Okay, now look at it. First trip to Dubai, then another one is 3,000 cash, then another one is Samsung Smart TV, another one is $2,000 cash, another one is Samsung Galaxy Book Pro, another one is Samsung Galaxy S22, another one is $1,000, another one is $500, another one is $300, another one is $200. So this is what XM is offering you for trading. But guys, there is a way, a lot of you guys are not trading big accounts, so I have to put that into consideration. If to say we have somebody trading like $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, those kind of people will have, like, I don't know, they can have their name in the raffle draw like 20 or 30 or 50 times, depending on how they trade well in this month. But you guys, for you to take part in that opportunity, there is a way I am going to actually teach you, but it's going to be exclusive to people in the private channel alone. So I'm going to do the audio and send it to the private channel. So there is a way you can do it without your 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05. The way you are trading, that your normal lot size. I will explain in detail how you will not over leverage, but at the same time how you can at least trade one lot within this month or more with the strategy I'm going to teach you. But that one is exclusive to the people in the private channel alone. So once we finish this, I'll do the audio by the grace of God and send it to the private channel. Both the people in the prop firm don't need it because they are not using XM, just the private channel XM broker people. So now, how do you qualify? Register with your real account, which you have done, and at least have $100 in your account. Now, trade minimum of one lot, either forex, gold or silver. That means there's no US30, there's no Nasdaq, they are not, it's either USD, JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, all those currency, forex, currency pairs, or gold. And you know what, we trade gold like every day we trade gold. So silver, we've not been trading silver. I don't even look at the chart. It's not as if we cannot trade it, just that I've not been looking at it. So, but at least forex and gold, we trade it very well. So then another one is trade more for extra tickets. You have unlimited chances to win. So that's what I'm talking about. So the more you trade, the more your opportunity to have to take part in the raffle draw. So now, how to register? Now, if you have not registered at all, this is what this one is for. But if you have registered your account before, this is what you will do. Log into your account, your members area. Under your members area, home. Go to home, scroll down. I think I screenshot it to the private channel and the public channel. Go to home, you will see if you want to partake. They will tell you if you have $100, qualification 1 guaranteed. Then if you have traded one lot size complete, qualification 2 guaranteed. So if you have met up with those 2 requirements, automatically your name is going to be in the raffle draw. So that is that about that. If you get this my gist, if you understand this that I just said right now, let me know in the chat box if you get this point. Do you understand what I just said? Do you understand? What's up? Let me get some feedback in the chat box. Do you understand? Do you have any question before we dive into the chat? Oh, what happened to my camera? What happened to my camera? Okay, the camera is back.
That's with the help of Ease Money. Because with Ease Money, you can get up to 1 million naira with a minimum 0.4% interest rate. Deposit guarantee or a salary slip. It's a fast and secure process that helps you get your move started in no time. So hurry now and download Ease Money.
Yeah. So as you are coming in, guys, keep liking. Keep liking. If you are just coming in, just know that before you enter, before you join us, I've talked about how you can take part in the opportunity of traveling to Dubai, earning thousands of dollars, different gifts that I talked about here. You can look at it. Second prize, third prize, from $3,000 to Samsung Smart TV, to $2,000 to Samsung 1,000. Just watch this video after now, okay? Watch the video after now. So now let's dive into the chat. If you are ready to go into the chat, let me see some energy in the chat box. If you are ready for us to go into the chat, let me see some energy in the chat box, baby. Let me see some energy in the chat box. Yeah. Let me see some energy in the chat box if you are ready to dive into the chat. Yeah. Are we ready? Like, guys, we made money yesterday for real. No cap. Like, no cap. We made money yesterday. If you did not make money yesterday, I'm really sorry that you didn't make money. But guess what? You can still make money. Just make sure you follow instruction, okay? So we're going into the chat. Yeah. My people are gingering me. Let's go. Ready? Are you sure? Ready? Let's go. So right now, guys, we are going into the chat. Welcome to my screen, guys. So now, guys, this is it. I told you the first thing you should do before you start trading any day is to know that is there going to be any major news today that I have to be careful. Okay, so today by 2:15 ADP non-farm employment change, there's a news coming up, guys. Be careful. This news, I don't know, it might be positive, it might be negative, I don't know. At the same time, we have another news by 4 p.m. I usually mind USD news because what we trade the most usually USD affected pairs or USD connected pairs, whichever way. So card too has high impact, but we don't really trade card pairs or things like that. So USD has a news by 2:15, USD has a news by 4 p.m. So by those two times, if you are already in a trade before that time, we'll make sure we move our stop loss to break even or into profit. If we are not in a trade by that time, we are going to be very careful to enter trade, and even if you have to enter, we are going to enter with very low risk and make sure our stop loss is tight. If the trade is going to go in our direction, it should go. If it's not going, it should just leave us with maybe little tiny loss, because at least it's better. So now that we know 2:15 Nigerian time, 4 p.m. Nigerian time, you can check it on your own, depending on your country. You can set your own forex factory. It will tell you the time it is in your home country too. So now let's go, guys. Yesterday I called this trade. Yesterday. See the way we smashed TP, and I called another one here. I remember I called another one here. People smash it all the way here. For me too, I took part of this. We all make the money together. At the point in time, I was like, if I have called this thing to be like this for my people, if I have said come and target here, some people just like, well, it's fine, but at least we make some good money for ourselves here. But if you know how to trade, you'll have looked for an opportunity to enter and join all this. But at least we enter again from here and then boom to the downside. So we make money yesterday. So if you doubting that I analyzed this market yesterday, watch our yesterday video, because we did this analysis live yesterday. So guys, I have always said this. You will remember that I said in this place, when this market was here, I said is either this market break down to the downside, retest here, and then we see that move to the downside. So what now happened? Let me just delete this yellow arrow that I used to indicate what I'm expecting the markets to do. So when you understand this knowledge, invest in knowledge. When I give you assignment, when I tell you that do this thing to help you to grow in knowledge, do it. I'm not promising you that it's going to be easy, because it was not easy for me to get here and I'm still growing. So do it. Pay your own price. It is normal to lose money in the beginning of your trading career, don't lose too much. If you follow instruction, you won't lose too much. Rather, your losing or your lesson period will be short, and your profiting period will start, when you have mentor and when you have somebody who is guiding you, and you too, you are following instructions strictly. So as I'm saying, guys, are you guys with me? Okay, so now I draw this yesterday. It was not even yesterday that I've drawn that this market, I want it to break down to the downside, retest. Let me go to 4 hours time frame, retest, and then we'll see that move to the downside. And I said if that didn't happen, this market will retest this white, white what will I even call this white line now? I'll call it minor support, because the reason why I draw it is that market has respected it. You see, market has respected here. Market has come to respect it, so that's why I draw it. That is that, and I don't usually draw lines because I think I use my phone or something. I don't even know. Maybe I use, but ordinarily, if I want to do my analysis proper, I won't use this white line. But I think I just draw it there like, okay, I'm waiting for something to happen here. So that this market break to the downside, retest, and then move to the downside, or it came to this white, test it like this, and then head to the upside, and this is going to be our target here. This is my minor level that is green. So now it happens that it break to the downside, retest, and then boom to the downside. Though news happens to be one of those things that help this market to move crazily like yesterday. So, but guys, what? Guys, on Friday, this Friday, today is Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday. By the grace of God, on Friday, we're going to make money on NFP news. We're going to make money. Just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I am still contemplating, maybe I should do it to the public channel and the private channel, or I should just do it to the public channel alone. Anyone, but I always prioritize people in the private channel. Those people, they follow my instruction, they listen to me. I always give them attention more than people in the public channel. Okay, so now what is going to happen next on gold? I told you, let's go to weekly time frame. I told you guys that gold that you are seeing, gold, for me, I'm bearish on gold. For me to be bullish back on gold, I need to see gold break some structure, break this structure here, break this structure here. If I see it here, I will be like, man, gold is now on a bullish trend. But right now I'm bearish. If I see it move to the upside, for me it's a retracement, unless I see some other signals, chart patterns, all of those things that will let me know that this market is changing trend. But for now, I'm bearish on gold. So now gold has given us high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It retraces here. So now it has done with its retracement. It's now going, came down, retrace a bit, now it's coming back down. So we are not doing top-down analysis, but when we are doing top-down analysis, I'm going to explain all of these things to you. So now, for you to see this thing clearly, I have to go to 1 hour time frame. Now look at it. You have smashed out this TP. Look at all this thing that happened. Before we sell gold again, before we do what? Before we sell gold again, I want gold to do something. I will want gold to break. Now look at it. It's looking like it wants to break this trend line that I draw. I want gold to break this trend line like a clearly bearish engulfing candle. When I see, okay, yesterday, guys, I upload our first forex, first step to become a pro trader or advanced trader in forex. I uploaded the first video yesterday. That video, go and watch it. Follow the instruction I gave in that video. Follow it religiously. Like, follow it intentionally. Because look at it now. If you are totally new to trading, the way I'm saying bearish engulfing candle, you might be like, what is bearish engulfing candle? I will still do more of that kind of talk when we started doing the advanced and the the intermediary and the advanced class. when it get to that stage, you know what I'll be doing? I'll be talking based on the fact that I believe that everybody I'm communicating to has done their basic assignment, and that is what I recommend in that video that I uploaded yesterday. So okay, this trend line, we need a break out of this trend line, a bearish engulfing candle to break to this line. Now we get a retest, and we have our counter trend line to confirm our entry, and then we enter into the trade. You know, I'll just be talking based on the terminologies that I'm talking to traders, not people that don't know what all these things are. So make sure you do your assignment. Nobody go follow. And let me tell you something, guys. You see, if I'm providing you signals, I've said this. If I'm providing you guys trade ideas, if I'm mentoring, guiding, and things like that for you guys, don't relax too much. Sometimes you might need me, I might not be here. I'll be here like nothing is happening, like positive things. I might not, just like yesterday. Some people are chatting me privately yesterday. And guess what? I just came back this morning. I left house yesterday. Everything that I was doing, I've analyzed my chart. I was just using my phone to monitor. I went to go and have a little time with my boss yesterday. One of my boss, Gerard Ume, that's Online Hustle TV man. So I was with him yesterday. We're having, I had some training coming up, so we went to go and go to some venues, get some beautiful location, and then we had some nice time yesterday. So in the meantime that we were having nice time, trade was moving. I was happy. I was just having my own time. At that point, some people were private, messaging me, like they came to my DM, send message. I was not even checking their message. It's not intentional. It's just that I was busy with other things that I was doing. So, but if you have the knowledge, I have told you what you should be expecting. I have told you that, guys, this, and you are already accumulate that knowledge, either from me or from elsewhere. You can make your decision without me. Sometimes, as you grow, you might not just be, I've known it, and you start making your decision yourself, but at least it's a gradual process. So, sometimes when you have understand all these things that I say you should do, you start having some, I want this candle to close. If this candle can close bullish like this is 1 hour candle. Can you see this 1 hour candle? We have like 23 or 22 minutes for this candle to close. If this candle can close bearish like this, we might open for a sell. What did I say? We might open for a sell. So let's just wait. We might still be here and we might have finished our life, but when this thing happens, we might open for a sell. So as I'm saying, guys, if you get the knowledge right, even if you see something like this, like if you are a trader that you have understand to some level, now I draw this thing and I told you, but based on what I will have taught you or have teach you, you will know that, oh, this is what Mr. Diamond is looking at on this chart. Okay. You too will have understand. You won't even need me to call out buy now or sell now. You already know how to buy yourself, how to sell yourself based on the analysis we did together, and that's how you continue to grow. This is me last year. Last year I was literally not taking trade on my own without getting a confirmation from some of my forex mentors. So when I analyze my trade finish, I'll still be waiting. What will my oga say? Is he saying the same thing I'm saying? Is he looking at it the way I'm looking at it? When I see that they are looking at it the way I'm looking at it, that is when I have peace of mind. Like, okay, this my trade idea is valid. So I kept doing it till I told myself that everything that I'm doing, like all that thing that I'm doing, I'm going to make sure it ends in 2022. So from December, I started, practicing to the extent that I'll be like, okay, guys, I will make sure that I making my decision alone now. And guess what? Since January was very, very profitable for me. February we are profitable. Sometimes we lose money, but January was very, very profitable. February too, we are profitable at some point. We lose some money at some point. We still grow and things like that. At least it's not a bad month for somebody that have a good proper risk management and then things like that. So now, this is me. I don't need, like, I can boldly say it, like I can say it to the public, that I analyze my own chart 100% without anybody confluences or confirmation from anybody. No, it is knowledge. That's why I keep telling you guys that it is knowledge that you should invest more in. see beyond the $50 or $100 or $200 you used to fund to get into my private channel. You didn't pay me that money, though. You use it to fund your broker. You are trading with it, fine. You make money from it, fine. The money you are making from it, see it as an additional benefit. If you lose money, don't feel down. Don't just believe that money you lose. In fact, anytime since you fund and you join the private channel, just believe that I am investing into my own future. I am investing into knowledge. Because when you are in the private channel, now tell me, all these things that I'm doing now, is it trade idea I'm giving right now? No, I'm actually giving value. Let me know if you guys are even getting me. Am I on the same page? Okay, I'm on the same page with you guys. I'm on the same page with you guys. So let me check here. We're good. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. So as I'm saying, guys, beyond being in the private channel to just be like, okay, I'll get trade ideas from Mr. Diamond and things like that. No, you're going to get the real knowledge. The real knowledge. Like me, I don't know how to hide. Why will I hide knowledge? Why will I hide what works? If it works for me, I'll teach you. I don't care. I'll teach you. You know what? Why I'm comfortable in saying I'm teaching you. You know, some people have been like, if you can't just give out your knowledge like that, people will not value it. Yes, I know people don't value free things. But you know what? When I was at my own craving for knowledge level, I still crave for knowledge, like when I've not even gotten to this level, I will value any knowledge given to me. But I don't have the money. For real. Guys, are you feeling me? Let me make myself to be bold. I will value any knowledge, but I don't have money. I remember chatting some people that I see that they're having good results. I chat them privately like, boss, please teach me this. I don't have money. I'm struggling. I need to. I remember I chatted one person at the time. I won't disclose his name. I was telling that person that my mom is not living in a very good apartment. She just manages squatting somewhere. Me too. I'm struggling financially. He should just teach me. Look at all these things. He should teach me, and he should collect little money I have from me. Not that I don't have money. I have some certain amount of money. That he should collect it from me. And even if he teach me anything he want me to do, he should tell me to do it. Like telling me that I'm telling that person that give me any work. I know we are not seeing it's going to be online. Tell me, give me task. Tell me to go and type something from. Tell me to go and print something. Just give me any work. Let me just be serving and be learning from you. This person said he doesn't do it. He will want me to pay a certain amount of money, which I completely. I'm not even mad with the person as I speak with you right now. I'm only grateful to God, which I did. I don't have the money. I begged this person. The person didn't really oblige. I even go and collide with somebody that, do you have money? Let's go and learn this thing together. I have the knowledge than you, but at least it didn't work. So at the end of the day, guys, this person that didn't teach me because he wants me to pay a certain amount and I don't have that money at that time, is it his fault? It's not his fault. He told me categorically that he used $2,000 he paid $2,000 like this to learn from the person that taught him. $2,000. So he was telling me to pay, was it $250 or how much was it asking me to pay then? That I told him I have maybe $50 or $100. He told me no. Will I blame him? I won't blame him because he spent $2,000 to learn and I want to collect it from him for free. If he might think that I will not value it. He might think that he's just wasting his knowledge. He might think he's wasting his time. But me, I was thinking at that time that this person might be thinking I will not take this lesson serious. He might be thinking I will not value it. He might be thinking he's wasting his time on me. But this is not the case. I'm a different type of person. But guess what? I kept struggling before God actually helped me. Before I started, everything, even up to date, I speak to you, I didn't learn it for free from anybody. I paid my way to this level. Like I paid for the knowledge. So but when I was doing all of those things, that one thing that usually come to my head is that if I am like this and people are not believing me, there are going to be a lot of people who is going to be like me, who will actually crave for the real knowledge, and they are going to take it very serious, but they don't have the money. Because they don't have the money, they need somebody who's going to actually help them. You need to help each other. So I just be like, okay, what thing I'm going to do is that I'm not going to make money in my major barrier, but I'm going to make sure I teach people. So but another thing is that I started giving trade ideas for free in my Telegram channel, until when we started having the issue of I use stop loss, my own did not use stop loss, we are using different broker, different spread and things like that. Before I finally, let's be using the same broker now. Some people listen, some people did not listen. At the point that I'll be like, so you guys can take my trade ideas for free. I'm not collecting any money. So I say, let's use the same broker, and you guys are not using. And you come to my DM, the trade you call is stop loss. Why did you not use stop loss on your own? I say, we are using different broker. Use my broker. And that's how I be like, okay, this is what I'm going to do. Let me create a private channel for people that will use my broker, and I'll give attention to those one more than people that will do whatever they want to do. And that's how we got here. Do you understand, guys? So now I'm telling you again, I'm telling you for free. If you join my private channel, see beyond you are paying $50, $100, $100 to fund your account. If you make money from it, congratulations. If you don't make money from it, just see that money as an investment into your own success, into your own financial, into your own forex career journey. Because this thing I'm going to be teaching you guys, I don't know if you can see it anywhere for free. I don't know. So let's go back to the chart. So what I'm waiting for to happen is not happening yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my trend line properly. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a clear bearish engulfing candle to close below this trend line. Now let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD is looking ready. It's looking ready, guys. It's looking ready. Guess what I said? We are expecting to bag over 1,100 or 1,200 or 1,300, as the case may be. Over 1,000 pips is what we are preparing to bag on this GBP USD. Not that we are going to bag that 1,000 pip just one day, no, but at least that is what. If you can swing trade, if you have an account to swing trades, you can swing. Some of the people in my prop firm private channel, we are going to take this trade together, guys, by the grace of God. The people that have mind to swing will swing. The one that doesn't have mind to swing, fine, they will just take their profit and go. So what I'm waiting for on gold is the same thing I'm waiting for on GBP USD. But I want GBP USD to get to this place, come and retest here. Maybe here, let me draw it down now. So I'm waiting for it to come here. Maybe it will get here or not. Then we get that break to the downside, and then we bleed it. We bleed it. So that's what we're waiting for on GBP USD. Euro USD, yesterday night before I sleep, that was when I was drawing this trend line. Euro USD, I'm waiting for a break of this trend line. Some people that are good in scalping, they are already buying their way to all these pairs. Some people are buying gold, some people are buying GBP, some people are buying Euro USD. I know that some people, I know it's going to go up. I know it's going to go up. Because we can't have this kind of move without market retracing. It will retrace, I know. But just like the way my boss taught me, the way my mentors taught me, they said I should always focus on the original move, which is the overall trend. The retracement, if you want to trade it, you can trade it, but with very low risk. Very low risk. So me, I don't have that appetite. Sometimes I just be like, it's because of you guys sometimes that I trade all these things. So now that I have my guy standby that is going to give you guys the scalping idea, going and out, I have peace of mind. So I'll always be waiting for what me I want. Just like I have not been calling trades since all this while. I called one yesterday. Boom. That's the kind of success I want to be having. So I'll wait for the one I want. Once it happens, while you are waiting, you can't be waiting like me. You can just be taking trade. That's why that my guy will be dropping that trade ideas. And as he's dropping it, guys, follow the instruction I give you. Follow the instruction I give you. This is a public, so I won't display the instruction here. The instruction is in the private channel. So that's that about that on Euro USD. So DXY, yes, I'm expecting dollar to come a little bit here or here. Let me just draw a minor level. Good. Can delete this now. Let me extend this to the future. Okay, so anything I am expecting DXY to tap here and then before you continue to the upside. I'm expecting it to tap here before you continue to the upside, which the way it is coming to tap here, gold will buy. The way this market is coming to tap here, because this is US dollar index, the way this market is coming, the way this price is coming to tap here, gold will be buying, GBP USD will be buying, Euro USD will be buying, USD JPY will be selling, AUD USD will be buying. So if this thing gets here and then started going back up, USD JPY will be selling, gold will be, no, what am I saying? The way this thing is coming down here, USD JPY will be selling. Yes, will be selling. So if this thing started going back up, USD JPY will be buying, gold will be selling, GBP USD will be selling, Euro USD will be selling. I said it here first. My first method, Mr. Dapo Willis, he will say on the Dapsin radio. Now me too, I'm saying on on Diamond radio. So I said it here first. You heard it from me first. So that's that about that, guys. Then okay, USD JPY. We said we are going to look at it yesterday, guys. You see what I just said? I said USD JPY will be selling. This because DXY is selling. What is USD JPY doing right now? It is selling. So the moment USD JPY gets here, now I've gotten another trade idea for you guys. This is a minor support level. Yeah. So I'm expecting USD JPY to tap into this minor support level and we start seeing the move to the what? To the upside. We start seeing the move to the what? To the upside. So that's what we are expecting on USD JPY right now. And US 30. Wow. So the way gold, the way USD was bullish, US 30 was bearish, meaning that this thing is consolidating. Now, you know when market is doing like this, what do? We box it. It has gotten to a major level. I box it. Before I will take any decision on US 30 right now, I will want a clear break bullish engulfing candle. In fact, if you want to look at candlestick pattern on a 4 hours time frame, this thing has gotten to a level, what is it called? a major level, like a support or a resistant level, but in this case it's a support. So we got something like a doji candle, we got a bullish engulfing candle on a 4 hours, and then we have, what is it called, we have what, we have bullish engulfing candle. Now this market is ranging. If you go to 1 hour's time frame, you will understand that it is ranging. Even though it's ranging, I've gotten an opportunity here, guys. US30. But I don't like I don't like us to trade US30. I only got the US30 for people in the prop firm. I don't like trading US30 on XM broker. So let me just, US30 is going to be like a buy, and our stop loss will be here. Our stop loss will be here. Then our stop loss will be something like 77 pips, right? Is it up to that? And at least this market will come here. Though overall we are looking at market together right now, guys. We are looking at market together right now. Oh wait, we are not doing anything yet. We are not doing anything yet. Do you know why we are not doing anything yet? Don't let's buy US30 for now. The reason why I say we shouldn't buy US30 right now, if you look at the XY, when the XY was going up bullishly, when it was very, very bullish yesterday, what is US30 doing? US30 was bearish. So now it's moving likely like gold, but not the same way as gold, but at least moving likely like gold. Now what we are seeing here is US30 is trying to retrace from that massive move. We can only say we want to catch retracement, but the overall move, because US dollar will start trending up, that's my bias. The overall move making me to invalidate this trade right now. What I'm waiting for is to break outside this major level and we can bleed it to the downside. We can bleed it to the downside. Let's wait. You know why I say we should wait? You know why I say we should wait? This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. Bam. It touch. I didn't say it's going to move like one line like this to the downside. Of course, it's going to move the way it's moving like this. Wait. But guess what? This is looking like our overall target. And then that is how many pips? Let's try and check. That's over 3,000 pips. No playing. So let's wait. Our wait will always prove us right all the time, because at the end of the day, market will tell us what it wants to do if we are patient enough. So if the market tells us that no, you say I'm going down, I'm not ready to go down, I'm still going up, it will give me another signal that it wants to start going up, and I will tell you guys that, guys, this market wants to start going up. It has changed his mind. But I'll be patient until this market comes to me. Hey, Mr. Diamond, I'm ready to go down now. Hey, Mr. Diamond, I changed my mind, I'm going up. Okay, fine, and I will take advantage of it going up. So right now, that's what we are waiting for on US30. So US30 right now, I'm waiting for either this to happen or a break outside. If I get a break outside, this market might move. This market might move at least. If I get a break, it might move up to this level. I don't know, before it might move up to this level before we start seeing it come down again. Who knows what might happen, but when we wait, time will let us know what the market really wants to do. So NAS 100. NAS, when USD was strongly bullish yesterday. NAS too was very bullish. Look at it. NAS too was very bullish, meaning that now US 30 I say dollar index is now probably retracing. US NAS 100 too is doing what? Is retracing to the upside. So what are we waiting for on NAS right now? Is either NAS do this, continue on the downside to this level, or it break above here, retest here, and then this is going to be the next target. Either of that one will happen. But how do we know the one will happen? We will be patient. When we are patient with time, we will know the one that wants to happen. So, but for now, that's that about that. AUD USD. I know I did something yesterday night on AUD USD. So what I'm waiting for on AUD USD, on GBP USD, on what was it called? On GBP USD, on Euro USD is the same thing I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a clear break, bearish engulfing candle for me to join this AUD USD to the downside. So actually what I would be very, very happy this AUD USD to do is to come to this place, retest here. Come on, you've got to, this place has hold for a long time. So has hold this market. So after that holding, this market now break it. You need to come and give it its kudos before you go now. So you need to come and retest here and then to the downside. So that's what we're waiting for on that. So that is that about that. I don't know, any question? Do you guys understand? Did you guys understand? Did you guys understand? I'm trying to read the chat right now. So if you are just joining us, make sure you are liking. Like as you are coming in, just make sure you are liking. Like this video. Like it. Now, any question? Did you understand? Let me get feedback from all these things that we've been doing since. What's the feedback, guys? What's the feedback? Yeah. Thank you, man. What's the feedback? Do you now know what we are waiting for? What's the feedback? Okay. Okay. So now, I believe you all understand what we are waiting for right now. Good. So, having sure of what we are waiting for, this is when you have confidence in trading. Now, another thing I now need to tell you is this. When you now want to enter this trade, you enter with a calculated risk. You don't over leverage, because Mr. Diamond have said this, because as I am, the market have mind of its own. The market no dey respect anybody. But when we wait for what we need to wait for, we are always going to be right 99% of the time. So, but once we enter into the trade, we enter with a reasonable what? We are going to enter with a reasonable lot size. And when the markets now started moving in a direction, the first one we enter, we move the stop loss to break even or close some partial. We enter another size, and then depending, I'm talking about people that are trading big accounts. But you that are trading small accounts, you can take advantage of it to buy. Enter one, maybe with your recommended lot size. Once you enter and you see that the market is in your favor, move stop loss to break even. Enter another one. make sure that one you enter too, you didn't over leverage. Immediately that one to enter profit a little bit down, no stop loss to break it. Keep entering like that. So as if the market now go very well in your direction, I usually say something, guys, you understand that I said, guys, preserve your capital. Don't over leverage. When they give you a jar, trade it. Don't be greedy. When the market is not moving in your favor, you lose, like you are using 0.01. You already have like 10 minus 1 minus 2. That means the market has moved like 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips. 30 pips is minus 3. If the market has given you minus 2 point something, closing to $3, just close. Just close that. Wait for another better opportunity for that market to go. Or if you are going to be very, very conservative, if the market has given you minus $1, that is 10 pips. So just get out of that trade. Wait for the next opportunity, or ask me if I'm available at that time. I will answer you that. Let it go up a bit, let it come down a bit, then you enter again. I will tell you. But if I'm not there, just hold on. When you see, look at be monitoring your own MT4, MT5 like that. And congratulations to all the people that are using the iPhone. You cannot download MT4 and MT5 back to your iPhone. So there's no issue again. Everybody have the same interface now. So keep monitoring it on your MT4 and MT5. As you see that the market has started going in your direction, you can up in and then put your mind to the trade again. If you see that the market has started giving you that profit, move your stop loss to break even. If you have make, like, if you are using 0.01, I'm talking based on the lowest lot size now. If you are using 0.01 and you have made like $1 profit, that means the market has actually moved 10 pips in your favor. You can move to break even. If you have made like $3 profit, you can move your stop loss to profit. Do you understand? That means you have made like 30 pips. And if the market is going against you, don't let the loss be too much before you cut it out. So that's that about that. You might need to watch this video again on my YouTube channel so that you get all this teaching that I'm giving. As this is how it is going to be looking like every day when I do live session like this. I'm going to tell you what works. There's no how you are going to always hear me talk, analyze the market, tell you this, tell you that. You will get used to it, and as you get used to it, the knowledge is accumulating. When I now give you instruction, I tell you do this assignment, do it for yourself, everything will accumulate together. This is what I don't have access